Here's the thing, most of the world, most of the developed world at least, is capitalistic. They have a lot of elements of capitalism, a lot of elements of what makes a free market. Okay, I'm not saying it's perfectly capitalistic. There's a lot of regulated industries, there's a lot of intervention, a lot of regulation, but it is still generally capitalistic, and we have moved a long way from just 200-300 years ago, where now most of the world really is a free space and you are allowed to pursue what matters to you. I'm excluding social norms over here for a moment, but just economically speaking, you are allowed to pursue what matters to you. So if you want to have a safe, secure 9-to-5 job, that's possible. You want to have a little bit more of an income, you want to produce more, you want to live a better lifestyle, a higher standard of living in a better city, you can get a job that suits that sort of lifestyle. You want to build a small business, you can do that. You can invest your own money, you can have your own sole proprietorship, you can run a small shop of your own. You have a plan for a medium-sized business and you get a few friends around, you partner up, you own a stake in the business and you do something. Or you want to run a major corporation, you bring in institutional investors, you convince them to come on board and you build something worth pursuing in return for a profit at some later point. Okay, you're Elon Musk, you have a couple of businesses on Earth, and then you say, I'm going to go to Mars, and you convince the public, you convince your investors to support you in that cause, right? So people are allowed to pursue what matters to them.